God damn. Did it again, y'all. Wow. Okay. That just shows how real it is. Golly, how long have we been on? Oh my God, Fox. Okay, 1 minute. Oh, that's okay. Let's start it again, y'all. Okay. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtel Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. This is our Sunday live. As you guys know, we've been doing it for the past couple of months, and you know, I see some value in it. Basically, I just come here and we talk about a few stocks that, you know, that I would have picked for myself. So, you know, I give you guys the game just like I give myself. Sorry about the sound being off. Girl, I don't know what's going on. Can y'all hear me now? Hey, Angela, you're supposed to be on vacation. You're not supposed to be working. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead. I hope everybody's doing well. MLK Junior Day tomorrow, you know. Are y'all going to work? Because I'm probably not. But yeah, let me hold on. Let's see who's in the comments here. Hold on. Let me speak to y'all real quick before we jump in. Hey, what's up, P Zitty, Sky's mom, Christina, D. What's up, D? Shay, Trenton, Gary. Got the whole family. Mark, Lewis, Cedric. What's up, Trenton? Oh my gosh, y'all are in here today. Okay. Yeah, Angela, you're supposed to be on vacation. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So right here, we're in TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. The setup is pretty much the same for me. You know, if it works, I'll stick with it. So we are in our 4-hour, 180-day chart, and it just gives me a good idea of what the stock is doing. Also on here, if you see, you know, I've been using these Bollinger Bands indicators, so I'm gonna leave these on for this this week. So, but yeah, make sure if you're, oh yeah, I didn't get to say that. Make sure if you are making a request, make sure that you write the ticker symbol. It's right here below me right here. But write the ticker symbol. It really helps to find it easier. And let me know if you want to day trade it or swing trade it. So are you trying to do this in a day or so? Because if that's the case, then we can look at it at a different time frame. So that's the reason why I ask you guys what your strategy is for it. And then also, what's your reason for asking me about it? So is this something that's going on in the news? Is this just a stock? Okay, I'm looking at these comments, y'all. Y'all distracted me. Yeah, so just let me know why you want to talk about it. So let's just go ahead and let's get into the first one. I think what I'm going to start doing, somebody left a really good comment in the last live, but they said maybe I should type it in the comments which one I'm doing. So why haven't I been doing that? Tripping. All right, so the first, Kane, going on. We're gonna go for a walk right after this. Go. Oh God, after he heard walk, honey, he's stuck. Okay, so we're doing JWS Jaws acquisition. And so I have my little highlighter on, so hopefully you guys can see if you're on your cell phones. If not, well, so let's see. Okay, let me do this. Hold on. Let's try it, guys. So I hope this helps. Ooh, we official now, y'all. Yeah, look at that. Okay, I see you guys putting some requests, so I'm gonna get to that next. But let me look at this one. Okay, so this one, I think this one is a good stock right now. It's been in an uptrend since November, you know, since about November the 11th. And what I like about it is its RSI oversold is decent. And in between, it looks like it could be, excuse me, 11. About a month or so in between swings. So the last time it was even touching over bought was around December 22nd. So, I mean, I wouldn't be super surprised if we had, you know, some increase in the next coming. Ooh. Ooh. I think I saw a super chat. Oh, Will Love. Thank you so much, Will Love, for your super chat, $4.99. Thank you, Will. But yeah, so if you are interested in this stock, because like I say, for all of the stocks that I didn't mean to touch the mic. All the stocks that we're talking about, they have options available. So if you're interested in option trading, the stock is fairly low. It's $15. So, you know, if you're interested in getting in options and you know, you can't afford the Tesla $1,000 per contract, you know, this is something cute to look into. So it's in an uptrend. Make sure. Oh, Angela, stop that. Angela, thank you. Angela, $49.99 super chat. Options trading consultation. Hit me up, DM me. Just send me a DM. We'll talk. DM me, okay? You have access to me. Stop playing. You not, yeah. Anyways, thank you, Angela. So yeah, y'all throwing me off sending all this money and stuff, girl. Anyways, but yeah, make sure, you know, I hope it's not confusing y'all with this this other stuff in here, but yeah, just make sure that you keep this stock trading above the EMA line. That's going to let you know that it's continuing on its uptrend. We're going to move down here, look at the MACD. You know, you see right here, the MACD, the blue line is trading below the yellow line, the signal. So, you know, it is in a downward trend right now. Since the 8th, that was my mom's birthday, but yeah. So you just want to, you know, keep an eye out for this one. Like I said, these are stocks that we're hoping for breakthroughs. So I like to catch them when they're, you know, a little bit low so that we can hold it for it to get high. So, not like smoking high, but yeah, but like you see right here, even with this Bollinger Bands, it's touching right down here at the bottom. So, you know, we expect for this stock to stay in between these two, this red and purple. So, you know, a touch down here at the bottom, so, you know, it only has one other way to go, hopefully up. So just keep an eye on that. And, you know, also look into the news. Everything I'm talking about right here is kind of purely speculative in nature, and it's off of the stock chart. So, yeah, that's that on that. Okay, let's see. Latrice says, so I'm kind of confused. How do I know how much money I will earn off of a stock that I buy? Thank you, Will. You sent another $4.99. Thank you, Will. How do you know how much money you'll earn off of a stock that you buy? Okay, well, you can calculate that one by knowing how many shares that you'd like to buy. And then, you know, you can look at the stock chart. If it's in an uptrend or something like this, if I was looking at this stock and I bought, you know, a few shares, I would hope that it would continue upwards. So let's say if it went up to $25, you know, you can just calculate what the difference is, you know, in the price, how much it went up, and multiply that by how many shares that you bought. So, but that's going to be different with options and stocks. I like to do option contracts because I just get more money with my investment. So let me look at these comments. Hold on. Very blurry. Is it blurry, y'all? How is it blurry? I don't know what's going on with the playback, but when I go back and I view these, it doesn't look blurry. So I don't know what you guys are looking on. But yeah, B Lorenzo, this is the 4-hour 180-day chart. So that's kind of what I like to go off of. Okay. I'm looking through the comments. I want to pick one from you guys. Okay, Kay. Hey, what's up, Kay? From Kay Stewart. Let me pin this. Oh, and also in the comments, let me guys know. You guys let me know if you like it when I pin the stocks that I'm talking about, so that you guys always know what we're talking about. It's we're gonna try to pin it up here. So, oh God, sometimes I can run my mouth. Let's hurry up and let's get into it, honey. Okay, so this is from Kay Stewart. Kay says we're looking at Apple. Currently in a position. Okay, so I mean Apple is usually one of the super stocks. And I was doing a Zoom consult. Oh, this is cute. I was doing a Zoom consultation last week, and she said when she signed up to she signed up to Robinhood, her first stock was Apple. So, okay. What did you say? So you got it at 130. Okay, right now it's at 127. I mean, it's in an uptrend. You know, the stock is going to go up and down. It just recently hit a high of 138 on the 29th, and you know, then it kind of dropped from that. It tried to reverse, but it looks like it's trending down right now. So you see right here, it just hit the bottom of this Bollinger Bands. And the bands are actually kind of tight right here. So the volume is kind of low. There's not a lot of activity right now. If you're currently in a position, I would say you need to have some type of loss, stop loss set for this, because it could go one or two ways. So, you know, it could bounce off of this bottom indicator here, or it could continue dropping lower. So if I were you, I would put some type of stop loss, maybe around 125, you know, just to kind of save yourself too much loss, or maybe lower than that. I don't know what your ranges are, maybe 120. But yeah, I would do some type of stop loss here and just, you know, see, like I said, I mean, it's been in an uptrend for years. So, yeah. And then just looking at the RSI, it's a little bit oversold. It's down here at 35. So, golly, it's probably about to come back up pretty soon. Just look at it. Overbought, oversold. And it's looking like it's about a month in between. So, I mean, it may be a little bit, maybe a week or so. Yeah, but that's all I really see for that one. Okay. Okay, let me just look into the comments. Ended up buying a few shares, but my contracts. What about your contracts? Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of confused, y'all. Sorry. But yeah, I don't know. Okay, let me see. Hanan says, hi, I invested $300 in stocks 3 weeks ago in Robinhood, but now my stock says $290. Did I lose $10? And is it possible that I could lose all my money? First of all, hi, thank you so much for joining the live, Hanan. Bless you. Yes, it does look like you lost $10. Is it possible you can lose all your money? Of course. You know, the stock could, you know, drop down to zero and you would lose all your money. So yeah, you could lose all your money, and you did lose $10. I'm sorry about that. Hey, do you see NIL dropping this week? I have put options on them that expires on Friday. Well, I mean, you didn't request it the way I asked, but you did ask nicely. So let me see. Okay, so basically it sounds like you're asking, is it overbought? So let's kind of look. I typed it in wrong. Ooh, I mean, it looks like it's definitely been in a downtrend since the 11th of January. So it hit a high of 66.99 and then it kind of dropped. And if you look here, it did kind of drop past this bottom band here. So you can see if it's going to test that, because it's done it before. So you see it'll touch the bottom band and it'll pop back up. So you see if it tests that, like I just said for the last stock, I would suggest maybe having some type of stop loss or some type of loss here if you're in a position. What did you say you have? It expires on Friday. Okay, I have put, you have put options. Oh. Well, I mean, it's already dropping. The RSI is at 36. So I think it might go back up. So if you have a put, I would say maybe get out of that. But that's just my suggestion. You know, who knows? I would say get out. All right, unpin. Cameron said Apple is a forever stock, never sell. Okay. Miss Erica says, sorry. Erica, you know I'm playing with you. Stop. It's all love. Okay. Hi, Rashida. Rashida says, I'm trying to look at the comments up here. So I'm looking at y'all, but I'm looking at y'all over here too. So I'm looking at you. Feel me. Feel the vibes. Rashida, hi. What do you think about ZOM? I told y'all, when you make the request, write this ticker symbol. Tell me if you want to day trade it or swing trade it, and then tell me something else. He's not upset about $10. He just wanted some clarification. He's not sweating that. You got that? Can I gain money or should I take my money out? I mean, you need to reevaluate your stock. Look and see what the stock is doing. You know, you might need to invest in something different. That's all. All right, I'm about to go into the next one. Y'all talking a lot. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into some things in my Armand Wiggin voice, honey. All right, so this is a stock I was looking at. It didn't have too much crazy movement from June till about November. Is that November? Yeah. But it recently has started going up. It's in an uptrend right now. It just hit a high of 49. Golly, Kane, go sit down. We're about to go out. It just hit a high on the 8th, my mom's birthday again. So it's probably in the same sector as that last one. It's recently dropped. It hasn't hit this bottom Bollinger Band yet. And the RSI isn't severely oversold. So honestly, for this one, I would wait and see if it's going to test bouncing off of these EMA lines, because the EMA lines are also an indicator, and they can kind of be used as support. So just kind of see if it tests it. It might bounce back up off of this EMA line, or it could continue dropping lower. But I think it's gonna go up. Just look and see. Make sure you see this blue line for the MACD. It was recently just up around the time it hit that high of 49. Then it kind of dropped below that yellow signal. So just keep an eye on it. See if it's gonna do a reversal and come out on top. So. But for these, this one is kind of expensive. I don't know about that one. Like I said, if you're going to do an option contract on these, a long call, you're always going to want to pick an expiration date that's maybe 2 to 3 months further out than what you actually think the stock is going to reach it. So for these, sometimes if I say it'll have a swing in about a month, if you're going to do an option contract, then you should probably pick an expiration date that's probably 2 to 3 months further out from that. So I see, what are y'all laughing at in these comments? Somebody says, sounds like me with my dog. No, y'all, he's ready to go for a walk. I've been, my boo came to visit me this weekend. Probably shouldn't be talking about that a lot, but I've been chilling with boo, and yeah, he's mad. Angela says, I'm selling Macy's and AT&T Tuesday because, yeah, probably with all of the things with the, the presidential stuff, it's probably going to go up and down crazy. Okay, let's get into, look, RWI. So let's pin it. Oh no, y'all, I forgot to type in the last one we were doing. My bad. I'm not used to it. Okay, I'll remember for the next time. This is SPCE for swing. So let's see. Virgin Gallica. Ooh. Okay, so this one as you see, you know, it kind of has a pretty predictable trend here. So, you know, it's having highs and lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it just recently, it wasn't its highest of the year, but it just recently hit a high of $33 on the 14th. So last week. So it's probably going to drop a little bit. You don't know how much it's going to drop. Like if you just kind of just look at previous things. So it kind of, you know, back here on the 8th of December, it hit a high and then it dropped from 36 all the way down to 22. So, you know, you just kind of want to keep an eye on it. Similarly to the last one, just see what it's doing with this EMA line, if it bounces off of it or if it's going to continue dropping below it, which it might. The RSI is a little bit high. It's 58, so it's a little bit overbought. So it could drop lower than that. And the MACD, you see right here, it's literally right here. The MACD is looking like it's about to cross over the signal. So it could start dropping more. So if you're going to do a swing on that, this might not be the best time, but you know, then again, just keep an eye on your indicators and look for entry points. But right now, I wouldn't get it because the RSI is so high, and I will wait for it to drop a little bit more just to see. So, Intelligence said it's lit here, and they launched. Oh, okay, y'all talking about some stuff. I'm gonna have to go back and read the comments on the playback because y'all are talking. All right, let's get into another one. Robert. What's up, Robert? Okay, so hey, Robert. Robert is wanting to do WFC for a swing, and you got in at 32.60. Okay, let's see what she's talking about. Hello. So this is WFC. Okay, I was on the wrong screen. Oh, Wells Fargo. What you say you got in at? You got in at 32. Okay, I mean, you made some cute coins. I don't know how many shares you got. Okay, so you see that it just dropped. So it hit that high of 35. People, you know, probably wanted to capture in on their profits, and it dropped down to 31. So you're probably like, okay, I got in at 32. It was doing good. Now it's dropping lower than that. So what you can do is, as you see, it's been in an uptrend since October. Since about late October, it's been uptrending. So, I mean, you can hold on to it. And like, you know, you see right here, it just hit this bottom Bollinger Band. So just check it, see if it's going to test that. Put a stop loss, you know, and make sure it doesn't go too much lower than this bottom Bollinger. So I wouldn't put it, you know, I would probably put it somewhere around 30 to 29. You really don't want it to drop that low, but, you know, to kind of save you in on your trade. And then also, you know, you can only hope for it to bounce off of that bottom band and continue on its uptrend that it's been in for the past few months. So the RSI indicator looks pretty good. Overbought, oversold patterns. Trying to see how long it takes in between swings. So I mean, the swings are a couple of weeks in between the swings. It just hit that high, and I mean, it just dropped all the way down to 30 on the 15th. So I would think that it's going to go back up. Just keep an eye on, like I said, the RSI. Keep an eye on the MACD. You want that light blue line to come above the yellow signal. That's going to indicate an uptrend. And yeah, these bands are kind of spread further apart. So with this indicator, the bands spread further means that there's just more activity. It's more trades going on. So you want that. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for that. Okay, so how long have we been on here? 26 minutes. Okay, it's kind of going slow today, y'all. I just want to do like a brief little intermission. Hold on. Mommy Trader said, hey girlie, so glad to be here and to see another investing sister. Thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you guys. And also I want to thank you guys on live. Thank you. We have surpassed 30,000 subscribers. So I forgot where we are right now. I think we're at 30 some. I don't know, but thank you. I would like to reach 100K one day so I can get a real plaque. That plaque back there, I made that, so it's not real. But yeah, I want to do a brief intermission. Stocks are boring as fuck. I'm going to do a brief intermission and then we're going to come back. So, but this time, make sure I turn the mic back on. We're not going to have that mess. Hold on, y'all. All right. Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live. So you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts. And I got the MACD tee specifically for my fellas. What's up, fellas? Go ahead, get the socks, make an outfit out of it. Get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch. Mic on. Hello, can y'all hear me? Hello. Hey, Angela. Thank you, Angela, for your $24.99 super chat. Thank you. Yes, y'all buy the merch. I put a lot of time into the merch. It's fire. I said girl got her own intermission. Yeah, it is called the bootleg plaque. And then I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of looked for some more after I got it and I don't see them on there anymore. So I don't know if YouTube like started telling people on Etsy to stop doing it. Sure. Okay, boom. All right, so let's get into another one. I don't see any requests in here. Thank you guys so much for your super chat. Thank you, Angela. Let's get back into it, y'all. So this next one that we are going to look at is VSH. So let me put it in the chat. I remembered this time. Damn, y'all talking. Y'all moving too fast. Okay, so you see right here pinned, we are doing VSH. Vishay Technology. That's a long name. Okay. Anyways, okay, so this stock, it's in a slight uptrend. These aren't as fire as stocks as I normally pick, but the RSI overbought, oversold is it's semi good. In between swings, it'll be a couple of weeks to a month. So right now it just hit a high of 23. You can do options on this. So for me, I would do a long call. I would do a long call option on this, and I would probably do it 3 months out. Just because I know it's going to be about a month in between the swings. But yeah, it's looking like it's dropping right now. So you can either do a long call or you can do a short put, because you see that the RSI just hit up here and the MACD blue line is trading below the signal. So it is dropping right now. You don't know how far it's going to drop. Yeah, so those are a couple of things you can do with this. I think this is like a good swing trade, because I would buy and hold this for, like I said, 2 weeks to a month, and then I would hope to exit out of the option trade. All right. Oh, hold on. I'm looking like a zombie. Hold on. Okay. No Way Jose, that's a funny name. No Way Jose says, yes, honey, fake it till you make it. You're almost there, 100K, let's get it. If you want something, you have to continue to think about it. And when you continue to think about something, you're going to do small things that just get you there. So you have to think positive and keep thinking about where you are not there yet. Okay. Let's get into it. Next request. Okay. Can you see it? Skaleski. This is for STIC long-term, just went public, catering to doggies. Oh, Bark Box. I think I was about to order something from them, but it was kind of, Let's check it out. This is good. Thank you for this. Wow. It's looking a little slow right now. So I guess it opened, what is this? On the 18th of December. I mean, it shot up to 19 and then it dropped. So it dropped down here to 13 and it hasn't had a lot of movement in January. So you see here how these two bands are really tight. And over here, it was a lot wider. There's a lot more activity there, a lot higher volume. Now it's kind of quiet. I really don't have much to say about this. I would keep my eye on it and see, if you have any breakthroughs or if it continues on an upward trend. But right now, I'm not seeing too much. But of course, you can make money, with these small swings. It's only $15, but I'll keep my eye on it. Yeah. There's not a lot of action going on with it right now. So, okay. Woof woof. Write the vision and make a plan. I know that's right. Manifest your goals. Okay, you guys are here for it. Oh, somebody said I always let your ads play through. Well, I'm not going to comment too much. I don't want to get banned, but thank you guys. A lot of people have been leaving some comments. They said that there's too many ads on the video. Well, I think the ads are very helpful because they, hopefully they give helpful information to you. It gives you a break from hearing my annoying voice continuously, and it also helps me. So I'm going, the ads, they're going to be there, honey. Get over that. Y'all gonna leave me alone. Okay. What's up, Valerie? Valerie says, is it better return on us giving you money? What does that mean? Are you trying to give me money? I don't want your money. Don't give me that. I don't want it. Okay, let's get into the next one. Let's get serious, guys. Hold on. Come on. I want to send you $10. Valerie, you don't have to send me money. Don't do that. Okay, let's look at this next one. Hey, what's up, Cynthia? Cynthia says, can you review CLRB for swing trade? It's rated 100% buy on Robinhood, but I'm not seeing where it's doing too much. I told y'all, I don't know who that is putting that buy hold. I don't know who it is saying it. I don't listen to them folk. I'm just playing. Let me look and see. CLBR. Okay, Kane. How long we been on here? 35 minutes. Are we about to wrap it up? About to go for a good walk. Good walk. Yeah, can you guys see him? Hold on. Can y'all see him? There's a lag. All right. Let's get back in it, guys. You can get all this black hair on my hoodie. Oh, y'all can see him. Y'all see him peeking over there. Okay, let's get back. CLRB. Stop, Kane. Kane, move. I mean, it has a lot of random highs of, oh, this is a penny stock, $2. Ugh. I don't really like penny stocks because I can't really gauge what's going on with it. Or it's not as predictable to me. But as you see right here, you see these Bollinger Bands. It's very tight. There's not a lot of noise going on. Like, see right here where it just hit that 3, boom, spread legs. Oops. Spread eagles. The RSI jumped up. That MACD, boom, hit up there. So I mean, it's like a slow moving wave for me right now. She's not giving me a lot. But like I said, it is a penny stock. It's cheap. What's your question? 100%. Yeah, you're right. I mean, 100% of what? Look at this girl, didn't do anything. Couple of cents, but it is a penny stock. So, I mean, if you buy 1,000 shares, I mean, you can get some percentages off of that. But y'all caught that spread leg. Oh my God. All right. Oh, I forgot. If you guys are watching this and you haven't already, please make sure you click that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. And make sure that you subscribe. So if you're not, subscribe to the channel. Help a girl out. Spread legs. I'm going to stop. All right. I'm going to do it because you asked nicely. Maria. Dang. All right. Let's look at Maria's and then I'm going to get into it. I'm going to get into my next stock. So that means I probably would have gone over 4. So I'm pretty happy with that. All right. So Maria said, oh, Maria, I don't even know what this is. Desktop Meta. Let's see. You didn't put the ticker symbol. If I can't find it, I'm going to drop it. I'm not seeing it. No, you got to put the ticker symbol. I don't know what the hell that is. Okay. Next. Let's look at UNT. So let me write this down here. I like doing this, you guys. I hope you guys like me writing it down here. Pin it. Somebody said I skipped you. I didn't skip you. I didn't see you. Y'all are acting up. Stop. Is this a U or a V? Hold on. Oh my God. It's taking a minute to come up. Here's a VNT. Oh yeah, this is it. Hey. All right, so y'all check this. All right, it's in an uptrend. Every stock I show y'all is kind of the same. I'm gonna have to switch it up. We're gonna have to start doing something else, but I like it because it's in an uptrend. Hello. All I do is I just get an option. I get an option that's in an uptrend. I just do a long call. Easy money for me. It's the options for me. But yeah. So look at it. It just hit a high of 36. So these are fairly cheap. Like I said, options available. Oh, I put the wrong one. Oops. Hold on, y'all. Let me update it. It's not right. It's VNT, y'all, not UNT. Uh-oh. Angela, y'all tripping. All right, so yeah, it just hit this high of 36. It's gonna fall for for a little bit, but what you see here, what I like about this, you see this recent pattern of the stock will rise and it'll fall, but it'll hit these the EMA lines. So it is testing the EMA lines. It hasn't gone past it, so it literally just hit a low on the 15th. So we can wait and see if it's going to test that and if it's going to bounce back up. So, I mean, it could possibly go from 35 to 36 and up and just continue on the uptrend, or it could fall below. So if it does fall below, that's what I keep repeating. I want you guys to start using more stop losses and stuff like that, so you can have a level where if the stock goes below this, or if I lose more than this amount of money, then I'm going to jump out, because you don't want to sit there and hold on to something just waiting for it to make your money back, because a lot of times that doesn't work. It doesn't work the way you would want it in a happy world. So, all right, Zandre, let me go ahead and let's get yours. You talking about I skipped you? I didn't skip you. Let's see. All right, we're going on 41 minutes, you guys. So we're probably going to wrap this up in a little bit. All right, so this is from Zandre Music. What's up, Zandre? And this is for run for a swing trade, and you're planning on keeping it for a long-term hold. So you're trying to put a ring on it, honey. I like that. Why am I acting like this? 84, this is high. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. First, look. Calm down, relax. It's not that serious. Look at the stock. Look at the stock. It's in an overall uptrend. It's been in an uptrend since July. Just steady going up. Now, I kind of had a little section where she wasn't doing too much. When is this? She wasn't doing nothing right here. What is this? Around October, wasn't doing too much. Then all of a sudden, boom, she shot up in January. So, looking at, okay, look down here at the RSI, overbought, oversold, overbought, oversold. So it was recently overbought on the 7th, and it just fell. This is the RSI. So it just fell down to 35. So for me, I would see how it's going to test. So look, this one actually fell below the EMA lines. So it did break that. See if it's going to test this Bollinger Band, this bottom around 83. So if it falls below that, it might continue falling a little bit more. But for me, considering the patterns that it has, I can only assume that this is going to bounce back up and, start continuing on its uptrend after this fall from this high of 100. So yeah, just look at that. Check the MACD. Make sure that that blue line is going above the yellow. You see the yellow above it. When the yellow signal line is above the MACD, then it's going to be dropping. You see it dropping there. So, you want to see some indicators of it doing a reversal. And yeah, but yeah, this is a good stock. You're talking about holding it long term. Just going back from July, it was $21. It is now $100. That's a huge. Oh, not 100. Well, it was 100. It dropped to 20. So now it's 84. But you know what I'm saying? Like you can see where the value can go with this stock, and it's only going higher. So that's that on that. Okay. Y'all still on that legs. Premium. Okay. RWI says you love premium. You have. Oh my gosh. Fortune says you have a relaxing voice. It's easy to just listen to. You're teaching us. Well, I appreciate that. I think it sounds annoying when I hear it, but thank you. Okay. Thank you, Foxtel. You're welcome. You're welcome. Robin, I see you. Okay. Let's do Robin. Okay, so this is Robin. Hi, Robin. Thank you for joining our live. I appreciate you. This is for DKNG, please. You don't have to beg. Don't beg for it. We're going to have to wrap this up, y'all. My dog is over here bursting. I don't know what's going on. We just went out. Oh my gosh. Okay. A quick story, you guys. Okay, so I told you guys, Bae just came. I was hanging out with my boo this weekend, and we were talking about Chris Sane, and she was showing me his video, and he was literally just talking about the stock, and he said that it's going to be really good. So I just feel like the universe is talking to us. When you start to see things and patterns, pay attention. God, the universe, the energy is telling you. So I didn't want to get spiritual or anything, but I don't know. I just think that that's interesting. Okay. So it hit a high of 64 back in October, kind of dropped from that. But it looks like it's in an uptrend over some months. Let's look at it over a year. It's not telling me too much more. Let's look it up with 3 years. Oh, okay, so is this a new? This must be a new. Okay, must be a new, fairly new one. Okay, bet. Like I said, it's on an uptrend. Just recently, it's kind of dropping. It's looking like it's going to hit that bottom band. So, I mean, if you have this, you can put a little stop here and make sure, you know, you don't lose too much if it drops below. So you can go ahead and jump out. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's in an uptrend. Just hold it for 53. Yeah, I'll be getting into that. And I think he was talking about dividend stocks that have dividends too. So I really want to start talking about more on dividends, and audio is going in and out. How? Oh no. Hello? Why did I say hello like that I was going to do something? It says something about dropping frames. If it is, you guys, if it's dropping, you might have to refresh your page. So I've seen a lot of other YouTubers, they'll say, if something is dropping out, try refreshing your page and see if that helps. But for me, it looks like it's all right. My voice is starting to crack, y'all. All right, we're gonna look at our next one, and then I'm gonna do one more, and then we're gonna cut it off, you guys. Then we're gonna finish it because I have a music video we have next week, honey. I really want you guys to start like seeing more of my life outside of stocks, because I shoot music videos, music producer. So I'm probably gonna make a vlog channel when I quit my job. Oh my God. Okay. I hope nobody from work is on here, but when I quit my job, I'm going to start a vlog channel because I want to just start showing y'all stuff that's fun outside of work. So anyways, okay, running my mouth again. Oh, why did I pin this? Okay, well, thank you, Reese. Start refresh. Okay, all you guys are saying Mara, so let's look at Mara. I'm going to type it in. But if you guys are requesting stocks, please remember to put it in. I know y'all can see this big thing, stock review underneath me. Hello. Type it like that. Yeah, I'm getting an attitude. Okay, this is Mara. I mean, it wasn't doing anything forever. How long is this? Child wasn't moving a bit, and then all of a sudden, boom. Is this a penny stock 22? It was a penny stock before, now it's not anymore. What are you asking me about it? What do y'all want to know about this? Oops, somebody said, when do you plan on quitting your job? I don't want to talk about that. I'm gonna keep my mouth hush hush. People start getting mad and try and mess up your life. Do I still have the 10 laws? Oh, that is so cute. Someone text me from my past. Okay, focus. Yeah, this stock, I don't know. There wasn't too much going on before. Okay, there was some going on. It just hit a high. I would say hold on to it. Just kind of see what's happening. I mean, you see right now it's falling. So that MACD is below the signal. So the blue is below that yellow. I want that blue to be above that. I want it to continue going up. So, you know, put a stop in if it falls below anywhere around 21. It might be continuing to drop lower. So, you know, just have your own personal loss amounts that you want to cut it off if it goes anything lower than that, and then just, you know, you kind of hoping that it continues on the uptrend. So I mean, that's all I really have to say for that. And then also, you know, check out the news, see what's going on in the news. Like I said, this is all strictly off of the stock chart. So what is this? It had an earnings report. Yeah, so A lot of times when stocks have earnings reports, there usually be an increase after that. It doesn't look like it here. Yeah, there was a couple of days after that. So it's not really doing too much to me. I'm going to do one more stock and then can anyone see me? What does that mean? Okay, I don't know, but blank moment. So we're gonna look at one more stock, you guys, and then we're gonna wrap it up. I can't believe y'all have been here with me for 52 minutes. I really don't think I take time and just thank you guys so much for watching the channel. And if I'm helping you guys, if I'm able to help and clarify anything, then that's pretty much why I do this. So that's not COVID. My throat is dry from talking. Don't play me. Woo. Need some water. Woo. All right, so this is gonna be the last stock, and then we're gonna. What breed of dog do I have? He's a Black Lab Shepherd mix, and he bites. So we're looking at ASHR. This is decent. I don't know. These stocks I picked aren't doing too much to me. It's in a small little uptrend. You know, it's gone up a few little coins from 32 to 43, so about $10. And what I like about it is the RSI pattern. So it's overbought here. You see it hits a high. It'll drop. It's not really dropping that much actually, but I just wanted to hit higher highs, and it just recently hit this high 43, so it's probably going to drop. I would wait for it to drop and hit you know, this 30, so being oversold, so it's probably going to drop a little bit more. So I probably wouldn't assume to jump into this trade right away next week. I will watch it, and I will watch for it to drop to this 30. Actually, you can put indicators in here. I don't do them honestly, so I need to get into that. But yeah, you can put indicators in here where it will let you know when a stock drops to a certain amount, or when the RSI drops to 30, so you'll know that it's oversold, and then you can, you know, look into getting into that. So that's pretty much that on that. And he bites. Yeah. All right, you guys. We can do one more. I'll do one more. Charity, you're the last one. I'll do one more from y'all. So this is Charity. You're talking about PLTR to swing, but holding isn't bad either. It's the options for me. It just has its days. It goes up and down. Okay, so that's good. Up and down is good because that gives us a lot of profit possibilities. Is this right? Oh. It's not doing too much. I mean, it's doing a little bit. It's doing some stuff. Okay, so for this one right now, it's kind of quiet in that market. There's not a lot of movement. It hasn't really been doing a lot since about the 5th. So I would just, if you have it, just keep an eye on it. It's $25 a share. The RSI pattern is fairly decent. So, I mean, you could just wait for it to become overbought again. But it looks okay. It looks like it's been in an uptrend since November 6th. Before that, it didn't have a lot of movement. But then just recently, it kind of, bam, shot up. So just keep an eye on it. Like I said, on all these stocks, the same thing. Just look at your indicators. That's going to let you know when to get. Just things like the MACD crossovers, RSI, overbought, oversold patterns. Just even things like the EMA lines, trading above the EMA line, showing you that the stock is going up, or even, you know, you have EMA crossovers too. So I think I talked about it in the last video about swing trade strategies or something like that. So make sure you guys go and watch those, so it can kind of help you gauge what you want to do in the stock market. I think that'll help you out. But What indicators? Yeah, okay. The indicators I just said, MACD, RSI, EMA, all those. You got to get into that. Fibonacci, retracement. And then these indicators I have right here, I like the Bollinger Bands. So there's a lot of things that you can use to kind of help you gauge when you want to. Tam, I'm about to wrap it up. This is the last one. Okay. Thank you for your super chat. Oop, Angela said, bye, y'all. Cut it off. All right, this is the last one, y'all. This is from Tam. And this is going to be EXPC. Yeah, this one looks like it's about the same. It didn't do too much for a while, and then all of a sudden around, well, January, this one kind of shot up. I would keep an eye on it if you have it, you know, see if it continues on this, you know, recent uptrend. But like I said before, it didn't have a lot of movement, and now all of a sudden, you know, we have a lot of activity here. So, you know, if you're looking to buy into it, I mean, it might not be a terrible time. It's fairly cheap, 14, 13. Yeah. So, I mean, if it's continuing going up, then you would want to wait for, some indication that the stock is going to do a reversal and go back up. You know, you want to make sure it doesn't keep dropping. So that's why I've been saying put a stop limit. A stop loss, so that it doesn't go too far, and then you allow it to bounce back up. So that's pretty much all I have for today, you guys. Your girl is tired. I'm about to go heat up this food, and I'm rewatching Game of Thrones. So right on my TV right now, it's on episode 1. Wait, hold on. Is anybody in here watch Game of Thrones? Because I'm about to rewatch it. Somebody say, can I do a recap of what? It's movies coming back sometime. What are some of the ways that will help you learn quickly on how to read the charts? Watching videos, researching. That's the only thing I can think of. Yeah, not yet. Okay, yeah. If y'all don't watch Game of Thrones, you're highly missing out on a huge part of your life, because it's going to take a lot of time to watch it. Anyways, y'all, I'm going to wrap it up. Tired. This is a blessing. Something guided me here. I was actually watching another video, and my live popped up. Wow, that's crazy. Thank you, Kay. I appreciate you so much. Oh, I see the foxtail. Thank you, Cameron. Thank you, guys. All right, so I am running my mouth. Oh, check this out, y'all. I got this from Bath and Body Works. This is what I keep my hard drive and stuff in. So I feel like a rapper walking around with hard drives. But yeah, so that's it for this video. If you got any pleasure or any type of knowledge from this, please make sure you click that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Have more videos coming next week. So, all right, you guys, that's Foxtail. And I'm out. So hold on, let me press this. Hold on. All right, y'all, bye.